Hi everyone, I thought I'd just make a quick video on the breeding season so far. So you probably noticed that a lot of things have changed. We've got nests and eggs. So yeah, we'll get straight to it. This pair up here, they have, I think it's five eggs. Gave them back yesterday, so we'll see in a few days whether they're fertile or not. This pair here, they've got 3 eggs, which are in here. This pair down here, they also have 3 eggs, again, inside there. This pair, one intensive cock, 2 intensive hen, beautiful birds. They've started to build. This pair here, I think she has 4 eggs. I don't think she'll move off here though. Oh, there we go. She's sitting heavy now, so I don't think she's gonna lay anymore. Gave them her back today as well. This pair down here, intensive variegated hen to an non-intensive cock. They've built a nest. This pair down here, sitting heavy. I think she's on 4. Yep, 4 eggs. That pair, a pair of Gloucesters up here. They're built while still building a nest in the process. These red-agate mosaics, I gave her eggs back today. She has 4 eggs in there. Beautiful birds. This pair over here, these have 3 eggs. Again, their ones are in there as well. This pair, but I get mosaic topaz. They've built a nest. That's that pair, and this pair over here, again topaz. She's sitting heavy on 5 eggs, I'm sure. Oh no, sorry, 4 eggs. And they should be sitting heavy now for about 4-5 days, so I'll check them in a sec. But that's the update for now. Just a little quick video. Hope everyone's season's going off to a good start. Fingers crossed it's better one than last year, but we'll have to wait and find out. Hope you're all keeping safe. Bye.